Zuzu, the colorful bird, flies across the sunny sky and introduces the audience to the peaceful golden savanna. We see Tiko splashing in a tiny mud puddle while other animals laugh. Zuzu says, "Here lives Tiko, the sweetest and times most stubborn times baby elephant." Mama Lulu calls, "Tiko, time to practice your walking path lessons." Tiko pouts, "But I already know how to walk." He runs off in the opposite direction. Zuzu whispers, "Uh-oh, Tiko didn't listen." Bona and Bina swing down from vines. "Wanna play jungle bounce?" Tiko agrees without thinking. Mama Lulu sighs in the background. The twins show Tiko how to bounce safely from low vines, but Tiko insists, "I want the biggest vine." He grabs the tallest one, flies too high, spins in circles, lands in a bush. The twins laugh gently. Tiko pretends it didn't hurt. Zuzu tries to teach Tiko a jungle rule. "Look, little one, think before you leap." Tiko sticks his trunk out proudly. "I leap perfectly." Zuzu shakes her head with a smile. Raffi, the giraffe, bends down. "Hello, Tiko. Want to join my leaf-picking game? It's safe and fun." Tiko refuses. "Too slow. I want fast games." Raffi shrugs kindly. Tiko decides to run a super speed race. He zooms through bushes, scares flamingos, slips on stones. He still says proudly, "See, I'm great at this." Mama Lulu gently stops him. "My sweet Tiko, rushing can lead to danger." Tiko shakes his head stubbornly. "I can handle everything." Tiko finds a glowing purple fruit dangling from a tree. Bina screams, "Tiko, don't touch it. That's a sleepy snore fruit." Tiko grins. "I'll be fine." He pokes the fruit. Poof! Purple dust covers him. Tiko becomes super sleepy, wobbling around like jelly. Animals giggle. Tiko mumbles, "I'm not tired." Then he walks into a soft bush and snores loudly. Mama Lulu, Raffi, the twins, and Zuzu gather to help Tiko wake up safely. Zuzu fetches water. Raffi brings cool leaves. Monkeys fan him. "We all warned him," they sigh. Tiko opens one eye. What happened?" Zuzu explains gently. "You didn't listen, little elephant." Tiko feels embarrassed and looks down. Tiko stands up, hugs his mama, and says, "I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't listen, but I want to learn properly this time." Everyone cheers. Mama Lulu leads Tiko through the real walking path. Raffi shows him the safe stones. The monkeys teach him careful swinging. Zuzu guides from above. Tiko listens to every single rule ***. The sun sets beautifully. All the animals gather in a circle for a joyful, colorful jungle dance. Tiko dances proudly and says, "I'm still brave, but now I listen too." Everyone laughs and celebrates under glowing fireflies. Zuzu ends the story. And that's how our stubborn baby elephant learned that listening makes every adventure safer and even more fun. Number ***. Moral of the story. ***. Listening keeps you safe and helps you grow. ***.